Good morning and welcome to Moneyline. Today is Saturday, the 24th of August, and I have predictions for you. The first game we have here is a game between AS, ACS Sepsi taking on FC Uniri 2004 in the Romania Super League. And my prediction here is home team win at full time. The next one we have is a game between FC Kiefen taking on Grand Kula IFK, and my prediction is home team win at full time. You find this game in Finland Yakonen League, and then the next one we have is a game between KS Polenia Belgium taking on Resuvia, and you find this game in the Poland division. And my prediction here is home team win at full time. If you want to join VIP and win daily, and you've been seeing the winning ticket on that platform, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. It's a paid service, it's not free, no pay after. Moving on, we have a next game in the Indonesia League One, a game between Persija taking on Persis Solo, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. The next one we have is a game between Entrastra taking on one Grupinga SV, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. You find this game in Germany Amateur Regional Southwest. Then the next one we have is the game between Banbury United taking on Leicester, and my prediction here is home team win at full time. You find this game in England Amateur League, Southern League Premier Central. Then my prediction here is home team win at full time. That gives us a total of 6 matches, 25 odds. And this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. Bet responsibly, and I will see you guys after the game. Remember, if you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section and chat me up. Thank you.